bola, okay?
So, makuha ko na dito sa likod.
Sa kamay.
Sa kamay,
Mainis ako bigla dun sa likod. Sa kamay. Yes! Ano pangalan natin? If I'm, correct me if I'm wrong, you are the Miss Silka Tarlac, tama ba?
Yes po.
Yes, si Miss Lovely, ang ating Miss Silka Tarlac, and si Miss Ira, third runner-up, Miss Silka Tarlac. Ayan, so it is really a privilege na mahawakan yung celebrity niya. Yes, anong namin-feel mo ngayon, Lovely? Speechless. No naman, Ken, anong namin-feel mo ngayon?
Basta hindi lang ako dito.
Yan yung sinasabi ko eh. Ikaw, Ira, what do you feel right now?
Speechless na.
Me, what I feel right now, naiinis ako. Okay, simulan na natin ang ating game. Okay, tap, and we can heal. Yes, kung sino man ang manalo sa inyo ay mag-uwi ng King of the Hill album. Go, tap! Yes!
Pulling up, damn move, baby. Their jeans got me focused on you, baby. All the people in the club can't say enough, cause when you move across the way, you just say enough. Yeah, I like it how your lips work. It's like an EVA to make your lips turn. Yeah, I like your style. Did you turn it up so I can let you go wild?
Okay, stop muna. Try mo, timer muna. Masyadong magaling sila eh, no? Okay, try natin ka to, ha? Dapat ulo lang ang gagamitin, wala na kamay.
Ulo!
Okay. Sige, kaya yan, kaya. Alright, ready? Ready na, sige.